What's the experience of people when they begin trading and they've never done it before? Sit down on their computer at home, type into Google, learn how to trade. What comes up first? Well, on the SEO, on the left-hand side of Google, it's all brokers, and they've all got a conflict of interest. And on the right-hand side, you've got paid search, where people are paying for you to click on that. Why? Because a certain percentage of people who click on that pay them enough money that they can do it again, right? So you've got to be careful. You're not going to learn how to trade by going onto Google, typing in learning how to trade and going on 20 courses, 20 free seminars. What you're going to learn is a load of rubbish that will never make you money. And then everybody goes and puts money in their trading account and blows up, and they wonder why. And then they sit there for a year, save up some more money, and then do it again. And they never actually seek out a proper education. So that's why